Hello and welcome back to Engineer's Escape. My name's Jake, and today we're going to be looking at this lawn tractor that will only click, click, but will not start. The battery's good and charged, but when we turn the key, we get a click, click sound. The engine doesn't try to turn over at all. Let's take a look under the hood. This is the starter solenoid. Test it by jumping between these two terminals. We used a pair of pliers that are insulated. You can hear that our tractor started to turn over. To replace it, start by removing the negative battery terminal. Then remove the positive battery terminal. These were both 10 millimeters on our tractor. Remove the battery if you desire. Pull the two leads off the top of the solenoid. Remove the 10 millimeter bolt from the bottom of the solenoid. Pull the solenoid out of place. Remove the two 7/16 inch leads from the front of the solenoid. Here's a close-up view of it once we got it out of the machine. We were able to find a working replacement at Lowe's for only about $14, and it looks like it's a pretty common part because there were 14 of them in stock. According to the reviews on the website, it looks like this solenoid works with all these brands. I'll leave a link down in the description. Install the new solenoid. First, install the two leads on the front. Install the rubber boot. Replace the clip if it came off. Place the solenoid back in place. Tighten the bolt on. Replace the clips, black on the left, blue and white stripe on the right. Replace the battery in the positive terminal and the rubber boot. Replace the negative terminal. And start her up. If this helped you out, be sure to leave a like, and if you'd like to see some of my other videos, be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching.